Plant FAQs. Equisetum pratense. Equisetum pratense, a fascinating relic of the ancient world. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to delve into the fascinating world of Equisetum pratense, also known as meadow horsetail. This unique plant is a living fossil, a survivor from a bygone era that holds a special place in the botanical world. Many questions surround this plant, so let's tackle some of the most common ones. What is Equisetum pratense? Equisetum pratense is a perennial fern ally, a non-flowering vascular plant belonging to the Equisetaceae family. Unlike true ferns, it reproduces via spores instead of seeds. Its hollow, segmented stems and whorls of tiny leaves give it a distinctive, prehistoric appearance. Equisetum pratense versus Arvense. I've noticed that Equisetum pratense has a more delicate, feathery look, which I find more attractive compared to the thicker, more robust appearance of Equisetum arvense. Where can I find Equisetum pratense? Meadow horsetail thrives in moist environments, favoring shady woodlands, meadows alongside streams, and riverbanks. It prefers acidic to slightly acidic soil and tolerates some sun exposure, but flourishes in partial shade. This plant has a surprisingly wide distribution. You might encounter it in temperate regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. How can I identify Equisetum pratense? Equisetum pratense has several key characteristics that make it easy to identify. Stems: hollow, segmented, and green, with ridges running lengthwise. These stems feel rough due to the presence of silica. Leaves: tiny, scale-like leaves arise in whorls at the nodes, joints, of the stems. They are black or dark brown with a white, toothed margin. Spore cones: in early spring, fertile stems terminate in brown, cone-shaped structures called strobili. These cones contain spores for reproduction. Size: meadow horsetail typically reaches a height of 8 to 16 inches. Is Equisetum pratense related to horsetails? Absolutely. Equisetum pratense belongs to the genus Equisetum, which literally translates to horsetail in Latin. This common name refers to the plant's resemblance to a horse's tail, particularly its long, slender, and segmented stems. Can I confuse Equisetum pratense with other horsetail species? Yes, there's a chance of confusion with other Equisetum species. Here are two common lookalikes. Field horsetail, Equisetum arvense. This species has spreading or ascending branches, unlike the drooping branches of meadow horsetail. It also has slightly longer first internodes on its branches compared to the stem sheath. Marsh horsetail, Equisetum palustre. This horsetail has similar drooping branches as meadow horsetail, but it has 5 or 6 teeth on its branch sheath and hollow branches compared to the solid stems of Equisetum pratense. By examining the branching pattern, internode length, and presence of hollow stems, you can differentiate these species. Does Equisetum pratense have any historical significance? Equisetum pratense is a living link to the Paleozoic era, sometimes referred to as the Age of Ferns. Fossil records show that giant horsetails, ancestors of Equisetum pratense, dominated the landscape millions of years ago. These prehistoric giants could reach up to 100 feet in height. Does Equisetum pratense have any uses? Native Americans traditionally used Equisetum pratense for medicinal purposes. Some historical records suggest its use for wound healing and as a diuretic. However, it's important to note that Equisetum pratense contains mild toxins and should not be ingested without professional guidance. In some regions, meadow horsetail is used as a scouring agent due to the presence of silica in its stems. However, safer alternatives are readily available. The ornamental value of Equisetum pratense shouldn't be overlooked. Its unique appearance can add a touch of prehistoric charm to shade gardens or boggy areas. Just remember to plant it where it can spread freely without becoming invasive. Conclusion: Equisetum pratense is a captivating plant that bridges the gap between the ancient and modern world. Its distinctive appearance, historical significance, and potential uses make it a fascinating subject for plant enthusiasts and casual observers alike. So, the next time you encounter this prehistoric relic in your explorations, take a moment to appreciate its enduring presence in the ever-evolving tapestry of life on Earth.